Good day, everyone. Today, my discussion entitled Lighting the Way Science and Technology for Remote Communities. By the way, my name is Jun Adrian Isa from BSE2 and from Group 1. Today, I want to talk about the transformative power of science and technology in electrifying remote communities in the Philippines. Electrification is not just about providing light. It's about empowering communities and bridging the gap between urban and rural areas. Renewable energy sources like solar and wind power offer sustainable solutions. Innovative financing options and community-based approaches ensure the success of off-grid projects. The impact of electrification is multifaceted. It improves education, healthcare, and economic opportunities, enhancing the quality of life for remote communities. By harnessing science and technology, we can promote social equity and inclusivity, allowing marginalized communities to participate in the country's development. Strengthening policies, increasing public awareness, and encouraging private sector participation are crucial steps forward. Let's work together to make electrification a reality for remote communities. With science and technology, we can light the way and create a brighter future for the Philippines. By empowering our communities with access to reliable energy, we can unlock their full potential and drive progress. Thank you.